Do it, Ani, do it.
Jump, jump.
You gotta get on there first.
Check it out. This foot, here. This foot here. You hold on here. Okay.
Just like a real horse, girlfriend.
Stop.
Are you stuck?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Necklace malfunction. No, you're good. Just pull. Hey, take two.
Okay. Alright, swing your leg over. Go ahead. There you go. Foot goes right here. Not recommended, but you hold on to this right here. You have to. Alright, now bounce.
It's just like your bike. Boing.
Your feet go down here. Right here. Right here. You hold on to this. Not to that. Don't worry about that. Put that over here. You hold on to that. Alright? And you swing. Like that. You won't go nowhere. I promise.
There you go. Yay!
I love it. I'm getting this kid's trust on it, and the next thing you know, it's fall apart.
That's okay if it does.
Bounce.
We enjoyed it while we could.
Come on. Come on.
Okay, I got the horse. Don't worry.
Woo! Here she goes.
Horse. Hold on. Here.
Boing, boing, boing.
There you go. You hold on there, you're okay.
You gotta hold on.
I got the horse, don't worry. The horse is not going anywhere. No, you want to hold on to these, trust me.
Oh,
I got the horse. The
no.
horse is not going
Sit
anywhere.
down. Okay,
Okay.
let's sit down.
Easy does. Oh. All the way up.
The whole thing's gonna just tip over. Are you stuck?
My turn?
Go for it.
No, thanks. Last thing I want to do is be on YouTube riding a pony.
Do you say thank you, Uncle, for building my horsey? Hey, no.
Yeah, let me see those. Those are mine. Right here. You don't need any toenail foot for...
There you go. Wait.
Other foot.
Don't start bouncing till you're on there. No.
Other foot. Yeah.
She's gonna end badly. She's gonna pinch your fingers.
Uncle foot, I'll teach you. Okay. Now, this foot is going to go over there, right? So, hold on. Put this one down. Put this one up. Okay, right there. Hold on to that. Alright, hold on to that. You're going to climb up. You're going to throw your foot over that way.
There you go.
Then you hold on to this. You're good. Hold on to the right. You're good. You're perfectly fine. What's the matter? You got a problem?
Oh. Whoa.
This mount takes a little. You like it?
Yeah, horsey. We're just gonna leave it in the middle of the kitchen.
Now put your hand up on the red thing. Put your hand up here. Now throw your leg over.
Hold on.
Hold on here.
There you go, baby. Whoa.
Okay. This foot up. Alright, now swing the other leg around. Hold on here. Pull. Alright, throw your leg around. Throw your leg over.
JJ.
Whoa.
Whoa. You can't even get on it by yourself.
Swing this.
This thing is so old.
Hey, Charles. Go on your horse. Show me.
Thank you.
You're large, right?
Ow. Midget.
Oh, it's a large.
Oh, it's Spaz.
Big. You got big, huh?
It's gonna get you. He's a big, mean fighting machine now. Ani, 2 hands. 2 hands.
Got him so much.
It's gonna end badly. Get your hands off the spray.
We did. Oh, he won't go enough.
That works too.
Hold it.
Put your feet down. There you go. Now you gotta bounce.
No, hold it, hold it, hold it. You have to hold it. Hold it. You're gonna fall.
You're gonna fall off.
I don't know this whole part.
Jump.
I'm sure. I think she's gonna fly off of it. I don't think it's gonna break.
Yep.
She's just gonna go flying off.
Just hold it. Hold it. Hold it tight. You're gonna fall.
Jump.
Weirdo.
Yep. There you go. Your very own horsey, Undine.
Okay. Okay.
You tell Uncle thank you. Go give a kiss. Baby cooties, go! Oh, man.
Other foot. Other foot.
Hey, no bouncing till you're on there.
Bye, bye,
So that works already?
bye. One.
Oh my god. You are super chunk, Annie. I'm so happy you're having fun. Look, it's your horsey. Horsey.
Yeah. Oh, no.
Hey, that was not a hug. Go give Uncle a hug. You gotta say goodnight. We came down here to do that, not to play on your horse. I didn't think he was gonna figure it out by now. I thought I was gonna put her to
Thanks for all
bed.
the credit. At 3 o'clock in the morning.
Who's that? Who's that? Can you not see? Midget? You keep moving my hand. We'll give him a hug. Say goodnight. Come on. You can play with your horsey tomorrow.
You want juice?
No more juice. Brush your teeth already.
You want the mama?
I'm not watching SpongeBob. You're going to bed.
You want to say that? Okay. You said house?
2 hands.
2 hands.